In every human being is that limitless reservoir of power which can overcome any problem in the world. Hi RRs, my name is Sumitra Dudani and I'll be discussing on chapter 15 from this book, that is Your Subconscious Mind and Your Happiness. True and lasting happiness will come into your life the day you get the clear realization that you can overcome any weakness. The day you realize that your subconsciousness can solve your problems, heal your body, and prosper you beyond your fondest dream. When you trust in the Lord, that is the power and wisdom of your subconscious mind to lead, guide, govern, and direct all your ways, you will become poised, serene, and relaxed. As you radiate love, peace, and goodwill to all, you are really building a superstructure of happiness for all the days of your life. The author says you must choose happiness, and being happy is simple. Just cherish and be grateful for the things that are there around you. The great things of life are simple, dynamic, and creative. They produce well being and happiness. Some people might still find it difficult, so the author continues stating how to choose happiness. When you open your eyes in the morning, say to yourself, I choose happiness, success, and right action today. Give thanks for all your blessings several times a day. Furthermore, pray for peace, happiness, and prosperity of all the members of your family, your associates, and all people everywhere. By repeating and thinking about all the positive things happening around, we need to make it a habit to be happy. And as the saying goes, खुश रहना एक आदत है जिसको है सो है. Author next suggests you must desire to be happy. Now, this is specifically for those people who don't feel at home being happy. They prefer to stay depressed and dejected. They think that you shouldn't be so happy and question others when they see them smiling. They might even go to the extreme of asking others, why do you keep smiling always? How can you be happy? And trust me, guys, when I am discussing this chapter with you, even I am reminded of such people in my real life, but that doesn't stop me from being happy and spreading happiness all around. Next, the author inquires, why do you even need to choose unhappiness? See, it can happen that we are surrounded by naysayers who have nothing to talk about but negative. So, in that case, you know what you should be doing, right? Even with us, sometimes it can happen that we wish to just keep on weeping and we can't stop negative thoughts coming in our mind. So, here again, we need to take control of our thoughts and life. For this, you can refer to chapter 6 of this book or to a playlist of the book Happiness Unlimited, the links to which is given below in the description. If I had $1 million, I would be happy. Once I have a bungalow and a Ferrari, I will be happy. Is it? Does it work like that way? The kingdom of happiness is in your thoughts and feelings. Too many people have the idea that it takes something artificial to produce happiness. Happiness is actually the harvest of a quiet mind. Yes, at times we forget all the preachings of this book and start criticizing our seniors at our workplace, which does no good to us. See, our thoughts get communicated to them either directly or indirectly. And if thoughts are so much powerful, why not think positively to drive good things in our life? Whenever fearful, angry, or any negative thought comes to your mind, say, all those working in the corporation are honest, sincere, cooperative, faithful, and full of goodwill to all. They are mental and spiritual links in the chain of the company's growth, welfare, and prosperity. I radiate love, peace, and goodwill in my thoughts, words, and deeds to my associates and to all those in the company. The block or stump is not really there. We might fail at things when we give our first or maybe second or third attempt and build a mental block for ourselves, and then we shy away from giving another try. To this, we need to remind ourselves that there is no block to our happiness, save in our thought life and mental imaginary. Is fear or worry holding you back? Fear is a thought in your mind. You can dig it up this very moment by supplanting it with faith in success, achievement, and victory over all the problems. Think about why you started with it at the first place, and you shall get your answer. Your thought is cause, and a new cause produces a new effect. So, choose happiness. The happiest man is he who brings forth the highest and the best in him. God is the highest and the best in him, for the kingdom of God is within. In the next chapter, we will be learning about building harmonious human relations and using our subconscious mind.
Hi RR, I hope you must have liked our initiative of chapter wise explanation of diverse novels. Thank you guys for all your love and support as we hit our first 300 plus subscribers. Please like and share this video and do subscribe to our channel to stay updated for the videos we upload on every Saturday and Sunday at 7 pm. Thank you and have a good day.